Can't have enough water. Can't have enough water. Can't have enough water.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months.
What's good? It's your boy G Kid back with another video. Live fast, baby. I got Shorty out here. We got Soup. She just ran around the corner real quick. Y'all don't know, it's my dog Supra. It's a little chocolate lab. Aww. Either way, Shorty, what's going on the whip today?
So I have ordered some vinyl decals that are gonna go on both sides of the vehicle, and this is part of it, and there's more. Starting the process here, trying to figure out where my placement's going to be.
So just like we did, if you watched the last video, if you didn't watch that video, I'm gonna put it up here at the top. Click on that video, you can check out how we did the spoiler install. We're gonna do the tape to hold it in the spot that we liked it in, then be able to pull it off and match it back up perfectly when it's time to put it on. Let's get started. But right now, she's just sort of putting it on here to say exactly where she would like it at. Yo, if you don't know, Shorty sliced off part of her thumb the other day. Whew.
No pain, no gain.
You want something right here? Does that work, or you need it further up?
No, it's perfect.
Your boy might have to invest in one of those little rolly stools around here. Because right now we just got this bucket that we rolling around on. Got the best bud helper out here. She's about to be like Suki with this on the whip. So now I'm just gonna measure it, make sure we get the right distance on both sides.
I'm being driven with excitement.
It's very punny of you, driven.
Uh-huh.
Oh. Now we're going to clean the car. We got to clean the sides of the car. We're going to stick it. That's next.
Awesome. All right, so we're just using this old trick of window cleaner because that can remove wax and grime and stuff off vehicles. But if you guys know something that could work better for this, leave it down in the comment section below. She's getting so good at working on cars.
I'm gonna do one side at a time, so I'm going to get ready to apply it. Moment of truth, because I have heard that from reviews on the internet, because you always want to research your stuff before you buy, but I read that a lot of people had trouble with the vinyl sticking to the white backing. So at this point, I'm going to try to remove that, and hopefully it comes off without a problem. If not, we're just going to add in an extra step.
Look at that ASMR video. You guys didn't even know it.
So one started sticking here. So I'm going to press it onto the transfer sheet, which is this clear sheet. There we go.
It's like a big old cricket or something.
Yeah.
So right there, you can see that little white spot in the middle was missed. Now she's gonna try and go in there and peel it off.
We don't want this part to transfer to the vehicle.
Imagine like that big old white spot in the middle of your black car. Awesome.
So now we need to actually spray the back of this with water.
And this is just water here. It's gonna allow it to go on, slide around, get it in the spot that you like it in.
Is the car wet enough? Let's spray the car one more time.
Oh, that kind of party.
Can't have enough water.
It's almost like applying tint, but a vinyl on the outside of the car.
So now actually I do have a tool.
I could totally see how one person doing this would be very hard.
That was another thing that also that I read when I read the reviews, is it did prepare me to have an extra set of hands available, that's for sure. So they did actually send me in this kit, this tool, which, are we gonna be able to link it below?
Yes. This is gonna be down in the description below, the exact Amazon link for this exact product.
So it did come with this scraper tool, but you can also use a credit card if you want to, whatever you prefer. You may notice too, I'm going right over the seam of the door, and that is okay. We are gonna get it applied seamlessly first, and then we're going to go in and actually separate where this seam is and tuck it in to create the opening for the door.
Now we're going to continue to place this, smooth it out, get it right where we want it. I'm going to show you the final result as soon as we're done. Little preview.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a...
So it's all finished up. It's right behind me. You guys just saw the result photos. What do you think, baby?
I love it.
Yeah. Yo, every video, yeah, I love it. I love it.
I do though.
All good.
I think that it For the purchase, it was exactly as advertised. I read the reviews. I knew exactly what to expect. It actually went on a lot faster than I thought. I'm happy about that, super stoked about that, and it looks exactly as I had hoped for. So I have the butterflies in the inside, and I am super excited. So yeah, I love it.
Yo, the link for this is gonna be down in the description below. Yo, make sure, you know, you do the outro, baby. Go ahead.
Make sure you like and subscribe and follow us, and hey, give us your thoughts. Can't wait to see you again.
Peace.
Peace.
Okay, what's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough, I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months.